The Battle of Priorities, Politics versus the Planet, written by Paula B. Johnson, narrated by Benjamin Martinez. Introduction. Climate change is indisputably one of the most urgent crises humanity is currently facing, with scientific consensus identifying the pressing need for substantial interventions to mitigate its devastating impacts. However, the complexities of the relationship between politics and climate change often present significant impediments to decisive action. This book endeavors to elucidate this complex relationship and to illustrate how politics can often hinder rather than advance progress in addressing climate change. The policy decisions and political debates revolving around climate change will shape the trajectory of our planet's future. This book will delve into an exploration of how politics and policy intersect with environmental science, economics, public perception, and global cooperation, each of which has its own distinct role in driving or hindering climate action. You will be introduced to the layers of influence that politics wields on environmental science, understand the interplay between climate policy economics and international trade, and discover the role of lobby groups and green parties in climate politics. The objective is not merely to inform, but to engender an understanding of how these seemingly disparate entities are interlinked, and how they consequentially shape our world's efforts to combat climate change. We hope that by comprehending these intricacies, you will gain a clearer grasp of the political obstacles that hinder climate action, and more importantly, how we can overcome them. This understanding is imperative for anyone, whether a policymaker, an activist, or simply a concerned citizen, as we navigate toward a sustainable future. Chapter 1. Understanding the Global Climate Crisis. As we delve into the heart of this book, it's essential to first understand the root of our exploration, the worldwide climate predicament. The global climate crisis, as it's universally recognized, is a direct consequence of escalated greenhouse gas emissions, primarily carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, which capture and maintain heat in the Earth's atmosphere, inciting a global temperature rise. This warming effect, largely propelled by human-induced activities such as fossil fuel consumption, deforestation, and industrial processes, leads to both conspicuous and subtle shifts in global climate patterns. Consequences extend from rising sea levels to increased incidences of extreme weather events and threatened biodiversity. Inextricably tied to these physical changes are a chain of socio-economic impacts such as food and water insecurity, public health threats, displacement of populations, and destabilization of economies. While this paints a somewhat...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?